we get ready to go racing. It's the Pro Late Models at All-American Speedway.
Good turns number 1 and 2. Down the back straightaway they go. Side by side, high-speed pace lap.
Yeah, there has been no change in any of the field formation up to this point. Still side by side for the lead. More work in that outside line. Herzog with the advantage. Out of 4, can he clear? Kinda. He's almost clear. He's going to try and do it again here, but no more. Still has the nose there to the outside. Reif looks to the inside of the 20 machine. Trying to make this happen. The inside line seems to be the one that's working the best. As Herzog takes the lead, Reif in the second spot in the 43. You can see Reif inching forward and clear. That'll move Zampa now into this battle. Looks like Wise maybe had a little bit of contact with Doss. Doss hasn't been able to get to the inside line yet. He's going to do it here now, but he has slipped back to the tail end of the top 5. Oh, trouble into turn number 1. It's the 2 machine around. Caution flag is flying, and Herzog's going to hold the lead. As Herzog immediately clears for the lead. Now, we saw Zampa mounting a challenge for the lead, but Colt Moore.
Oh.
Was that a little bit of contact? We allowed him to beat and bang a little bit as we go down turn number 3. Moore had to shut the door. He was playing defense and offense as Jeremy Doss was looking for a way around on the 75. Reif's got stuck up on that outside line.
Oh, pinching.
Oh, boy. Oh, a little bit of contact there. Just a nudge from Moore into the left rear quarter panel of the 92. Now Doss rolls it in. It's all right. Both of those cars share the same paint color, so they're allowed to mix it up a little bit more. Oh, sorry. We have a little bit of contact there in turn number 1. It was between the 92 machine of Logan Zampa and the 04 of Cole Brown all over his rear bumper. That is a battle for 7th. And it almost sent Logan Zampa around. Now, if someone gets you like that, and they've already done it before, do you start cutting them more brake going into the corner, or do you start chopping even more?
Now you start getting protective. Sometimes overly protective if needed.
I feel like Chef Ramsey's showing us how to chop right now because that 92 is trying to close the door in the 04. Brown's going to take the spot, but he might get a little bit of bumper action.
Oh, I'm taking a look at the 7 of Reif as well. Now taking a look to the inside of Logan Zampa. Yeah. Little squeeze play going on over there.
Now these drivers have really been mixing it up, and as we continue to watch this battle, there's also a battle for the lead coming out of turn number 4. It is Zampa to the inside of Herzog. Door to door in a turn number 1. 20 laps to go for your leaders.
Great battle for the lead, and Herzog gets the better of Zampa, but now Zampa fights back down.
Now, I don't think they're going to be catching lap traffic here, even with the race staying green. But Zampa looking to the inside. He's got a nose down, and Herzog is going to have to play some defense. 4 laps to go, and the bumper from Zampa.
Here's to the inside, the 92Z machine. It is time to battle. We've seen these two side by side. They're leaning.
Zampa has taken the top spot, and he roughed up Herzog to get it. Tommy, we're going to be seeing the white flag fly this time by. They're still racing pretty heavily around the track. These drivers are going to have to hope that it stays green. And I say these drivers, but Zampa's the only one hoping for that right now. Out of turn number 4, the 92Z machine, the young gun, Dylan Zampa, takes the victory at All-American Speedway. Grabbing that checkered flag, and Dylan Zampa's climbing out. The fans can hear him. At least they're definitely going to hear you now. Dylan Zampa, congratulations. What a race. That was a fantastic one from the fans' perspective. Did it play out how exactly you wanted it, or did it get a little rougher?
No, I didn't really want to get into him, but his car was getting off the corner a little bit better than ours. So I was trying everything, and nothing was working, so I just went to what I had to do.
Yeah. Well, you got it done. Congratulations on the win. All right, everybody, your winner, Dylan Zampa in the 92Z.
And we get ready to go for the Spears Manufacturing Modified Series.
It was an all Jacks row number 3, and they're going to throw it into the corner. That's Kyle Jacks to the inside of McCullough. Doss to the lead, battle for second. Jacks on the inside, Anderson on the outside. Now, it was Kyle Jacks who Sam Jacks said, see that rear bumper? It won't be there. So, I'm just letting everybody know in advance. McCullough all over that battle in the 36. One driver having, let's focus on that. Anderson in the back of Jacks. Look at that. The rear bumper we were just talking about.
Hey, they're cheap. They're made out of metal.
It's been rearranged. Oh, trouble. This time it's Sam Jackson to Third Kettle. Third Kettle doing a burnout, and a caution is going to come out. Into turn number 1, and boink. It looked like Third Kettle maybe was deciding he wanted to go the other direction.
So Anderson checks up. Third Kettle hits the brakes, runs out of momentum.
Yeah, avoiding Anderson.
But yeah, the 29 on the stripe.
I would
contact made.
I've noticed a lot of we're crinkling up some quarter panels. McCullough got into the 5 of Gasser.
This is the battle to watch going into turn number 3. Tons of action.
Oh yeah. You're probably getting a face full of it right now, too. Jacks to the inside of McCullough. It's Guevara in the 55 working the inside line. And so far in the race, I mean,
big slide.
Oh, boy. McCullough getting a face full of this. Guevara starting to close into this battle as well. Gasser's going to go wide, give the spot to Jacks, but McCullough's going to fill in the gap. We got a battle right now starting to brew for the 4th position, the 5 and the 55. The 5's going to spin it out all by himself.
Ooh, a little bit of bumper tag. Sends Jackson the 29 up the track. Now Third Kettle to the inside. This is the battle for 7th, and around goes the 29 of Jacks off the front bumper of Bird.
Let's see what happens here in this corner. Do you think Jacks is sending a message right now? Do you think he's saying, oh?
I think we're seeing 2 struggling race cars.
46 laps on the board. Guevara now going to deal with Anderson. So the 55, Tommy, is definitely on the decline at this point as Bird now works to the inside. So now you see Anderson's waving the white flag, but it's not time. Oh, trouble in turn number 2. The 16 of Patterson spins it out. And guess what we get? A late race restart.
Oh, boy.
All right, restart with 8 laps to go. Can Jeremy Doss hold them off like he's done all race long, or does McCullough have a late race charge? Jackson third has an opportunity. Green flag is in the air for a Saturday night shootout. Jacks gets sideways. And
trouble.
More get sideways. They want you to be consistent on these starts. Green flag with 7 laps to go. Oh, and contact between McCullough and Doss. Looks like Jacks saw it.
McCullough trying to get down to the low side. A little bit of contact. Now here comes Secor.
They're getting rough there for the 3rd spot. Secor's going to take it away. Now Third Kettle is in an opportunity zone. See if he's going to be able to challenge the 41. Behind them, the 61 on the inside of the 4. Now those two have had some contact throughout this race. Sideways in front of the field is Secord.
Oh, slide up the track.
Guevara is going to get climbed over. Keep it going. We got debris just a little bit. I don't know if it's going to be enough to bring out a caution in the back straightaway. 2 laps to go for Jeremy Doss. It's been a wild race throughout the field, but Jeremy Doss won't believe you because all he's seen is clean track all race long. Out of turn number 4, Jeremy Doss is the winner at All-American Speedway. And they're getting wild in turn number 3 right now. A close finish for 3rd with Secord and Third Kettle. Dang. And Jeremy Doss in the 75 climbing out. He can hear you now, ladies and gentlemen. You just dominated the modified race and it doesn't know what to do with itself.
Right. But I was just saying, it's not too often you get cars like that. I really got to thank all the JD Motorsports crew and the Wilcox Automotive crew for busting butts on this thing. Steve Teets, Wilcox Automotive, Mike David, just everyone who's a part of this program. It's not too often you get cars like that, and hopefully we're going to Eureka next week with it, and hope we can get another win.
So how boring was it for you? Because I don't know if you know what was going on behind you, but it was a wild one. But then you got to enjoy kind of just some clean racetrack throughout the race. But from the driver's seat, are these the kind of races that you live for, or would you like to mix it up a little more?
I know it's not very exciting for the fans, but I think us drivers like races like that, you know, and it's smooth. You don't feel like you have to worry as much and push the car as hard as you have to, you know. So, like I said, I just got to thank all my sponsors, Swiss Springs, Horsepower Project, Pit Stop USA, Apache Rental Group of Los Angeles, just everyone who's on board. Glad to get another one.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Jeremy Doss, your winner, the number 75 machine, does it again.
The field at the ready, and we are green for the None-Up 125.
Oh, trouble into turn number 1. Thompson around. He collects Telford in the 57 machine.
Somehow, that was just a 2-car incident as the caution flies quickly.
And a battle for the lead as Derek Thorne's wasted no time to challenge. Derek Thorne's been pretty solid.
Oh, to the outside he's looking. Derek Thorne looking for that exit.
Changing it up. Derek Thorne to the inside again.
Side by side, driving it down into
Oh,
turn number
Thorne
1.
missed the corner just a little bit. Almost got into Gomes. Tommy, but this is what we've come to expect. A lot of good side-by-side racing. We've had a lot of amazing battles for the lead throughout this year, throughout this season, as Buddy Shepard has moved himself into the 3rd spot. They're still side-by-side.
Door handle to door handle action here at All-American Speedway.
Now Derek Thorne's going to have that advantage. He's going to shut that door, says, nope, no more of that for now. But Gomes gets right up to his rear bumper. Door to door into turn number 1. John Moore has been kind of swinging it wider, so this is one instance where he's going to have to pinch it a little bit.
Always good Southwest Tour racing. Now Farrington to the low side on the 25.
There's 2 cars behind him.
Right.
And a teammate.
Big slide for the 51. Kind of bottles up the lane. And now Farrington's going to try to go to the inside again.
Rocha getting a face full of all this.
Oh.
Yeah.
You think patience is starting to wear out?
Yeah. Oh, Rocha to the inside. He lit Raz note just in time that he was down there. And those 2 drivers sorted it out before anything big happened. 20 laps into this race. At least from Arlo. You know. A little bit of smoke there from the 51 machine of Vieira. See if it stays consistent or if he was just getting hard on the brakes.
I don't know. It's coming from the center.
Yeah, that is smoke, and it's staying consistent. However, Raz is going to make the pass, and Rocha dives it to the inside. Man, when those sharks smell the blood in the water.
Yeah. Oh, Vieira way sideways in a 1. And he's going to try to find a soft place to land.
Thompson on the inside. This is now a battle a little bit further back in the pack for 8th. They're still going at it. The 51s, Dean Thompson and Carlos Vieira. Thompson's going to clear Vieira for the 8th position. Kel Kanke's like, I want some of this. So Buddy Shepard now challenging for 2nd, and Gomes even wider that time.
Oh, more. Closing in rapidly on the 22 there in the center of the corner. I thought there was going to be some contact.
He's running a different line, isn't he? Shepard kind of coasts it wide, and then John Moore just does this. We got a battle through turns 1 and 2 right now. The 98 machine and the 21. That's Rocha making the move to the inside of Raz, and he's going to take the spot away from Raz. That's an exchange for the 6th position. John Moore starting to throw it a little harder into the corner.
Maybe now's decision time. I think it's probably time to go for that 27 machine. Buddy Shepard could be waiting for a caution to get to that 43, but has a challenger behind.
If he's able to get around Shepard, he makes the move here. And gets into him a little bit. Oh, trouble in turn number 4. It's the 21 machine of Raz. Mr. Sherlock Tom.
Up the track he goes into 3.
It just went down. Battling there with Thompson in the 51.
I think it was Mean Dean's fault.
I would blame him too.
Just the way that car was following.
Yeah,
intimidated.
Dean should know that you could get a ticket for following a car that close. All right, restart. 36 laps to go at All-American Speedway, Spears Southwest Tour. Oh, yeah. Well, now everyone's right back to the rear bumper of Derek Thorne. Shepard into the back of Thorne, just letting him know, I'm here.
It's time for the Bakersfield battle.
John Moore's like, you guys are in the wrong city. Move out of my way. Farrington fighting hard on that outside. Just trying to stay there with Rocha, but Rocha's going to get there. Farrington, what a crossover move out of turn number 4. He locked that thing down. And now Sparks out of the 98 machine of Rocha. Is that a tire going down?
Looks like a tire potential going down.
Yeah.
And something's dragging.
So trouble for the 98 machine of Blaine Rocha. Thompson's into the back of Vieira out of turn number 4. Vieira holds on to it, but that easily could have been a caution. That, Tommy, was almost the game changer. But white flag's going to fly for the 43 machine of Derek Thorne. Buddy Shepard is not within reach of the 43, but who has been this year? Derek Thorne out of turn number 4 is taking the victory at All-American Speedway.
Well, this is something new. Derek Thorne in victory lane. What a race there that was. He can hear you now, folks. Derek Thorne, your winner. Derek, congratulations on another one.
I'm sure that's not what you guys want to see, but thinking about Campbell family back home, miss them here this weekend. All these guys in this team have worked so hard. I got to give a shout out to 80 Brakes. Man, we drove that thing for all it was worth there, and tonight was a testament of brakes, and those guys do such a great job of giving us great products, and all of our associate sponsors, 5150 Race for Autism, Pepper Jack Kennels, Power Grid Incorporated. You know, we're fortunate to have who we have helping us. That's why we're here, and looking forward to the next one.
How much are you managing the gap to second place and not worrying about burning off your stuff before the end of the race?
You'll never know.
I'll never know. And there you go. The Thorne secret. Derek, congratulations on another one.
Thanks, guys.
Derek Thorne, your winner again, the Southwest Tour.